ভিতৰতে চাই আছে কিনা হ'ব পাৰ দেখাই দিব
A very good morning to each one of you present here this morning. So, chundu waksum ba ambu, wambuibu, wajak chundu chungha, wajak kataran ausun awian hadau ba du chung yang bapai digai. Wangle numan asai de mudong hana. Konyak Baptist Mumadok Pangchum Executive Secretary ma boya pai bu Pangchum staff.
Participants.
Konyak legislators lan, ENSF officials lan. Ane inviting guests ausun awian hadau ba du chung da pai digai. Ausun awian chum digai. Ilakpa luman asai de menyong pone yapu anio chaya tamnang. The Aoleang Konyak Festival, traditionally held in the first week of April every year, is the most significant event for the Konyak community. In 2026, it continues its role as a mini Hornbill festival, serving as a platform to showcase the rich culture and traditions of the Konyak Nagas. It also signifies the welcoming of the new year, marking the end of the sowing season and the arrival of spring. Aoleang also means praying to the supreme power, Kawang, for a bountiful harvest and community prosperity. This morning, I, on behalf of the Konyak Unit and Konyak community, take this privilege to welcome each one of you. A warm and traditional welcome is extended to all the distinguished guests, dignitaries, and international friends attending the Konyak Aoleang Festival, Mini Hornbill Festival, here at Konyak Heritage Village, Mon, Nagaland. Firstly, I would like to take this privilege
leakage from abroad and media friends. Aro, amakanyade leaders, program participants, all the cultural tropes, especially from one show. Media friends, ladies and gentlemen, welcome address ase. Aoleang laga significant kobulin hoy. Kali welcome address ko po short time nai.
May I request Colonel Emily Akam Kitsir, Surya Chakra to kindly stand on your feet and receive this gift. Next, ADC Pakon.
Watching area last day. Watching area last. Visit last day. Visit Lamrong. Topu morong, topu area lah aja itu. Lambat. Murah. Stage jauh. Murahnya. One by one dekai dia sudah. One two five today. Oh, one two.
Hello. Thank you to Wancho Modern Dance Arunachal. Our hearts are full of gratitude for the incredible spellbinding performance by our talented artists from Longding district of Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you once again from the deepest core of the Konyaks.
We have an announcement here. We have received a token of love from our special guest and from our chief host. We have received an amount of rupees 5 lakhs from the special guest. We have also received an amount of rupees 1 lakh from the chief host. We remain in gratitude for your generosity.
Tumabesa next na Wayan Yunan Mon na tanga